All right, we got this amazing CHENGU 16-piece fidget toy set. We've got 8 of the bike chains or the roller chains right here that I'll show you in just a second. And we've got 8 of the Flippy chains right here. So these are amazing for maybe you're just at your desk all day or whatever, and you're in a state. Or maybe you're in some sort of video call or whatever, and you just need something to mess around with. You got the roller chains right here. You can maybe put this on either your pinky, well, depending on you know how big your fingers are, put it on, and you can just mess with it. Roll it around. You can also just fiddle, like I feel like you can just fiddle with this, just mess around with it in your hand. You can just mess around, whatever. You've also got the Flippy chain right here that you put this in your hand, you flip it around. You can flip it around just with one hand. And let me just show you with both hands so you can get a better vibe. Just how it's flipping, just to show you. But you can just mess around with it. Mess around with it. As you can see, there's all sorts of different colors right there. Same right here, all sorts of different colors. 16 in total. All you really need is 2, but it's like, dude, the value right here. This is it. Highly recommend these for sure.